let's make some harmony color schemes. So I have all of these colors, and now let's use the color wheel to select some color schemes. Now let's select two complementary colors that are opposite to each other. We're going to select this yellowish green, and opposite to that is purple. So these two colors can be a harmonious palette. They go great together. Now let's go and select another two complementary colors from each other. We're going to select here a blue, and opposite to the blue it's orange. So we have here the blue and the orange. This also is a really nice combination. You can see in many designs use these colors, and they go great together. Now let's select another two colors that are complementary to each other. So red is opposite to green, so they both are complementary to each other, and they also go great together. You can see it on roses, on flowers, on so many things, and this creates a really nice color palette. Now let's choose some split complementary colors. Now here we have orange, red, and a turquoise. The colors, red and the orange. So this also creates a really nice color palette to use, and they all go together nicely. So let's select another split complementary colors. So now we have green, yellow, and purple. Green, yellow, and purple. And these also make a really nice color palette, and they all go great together. Now let's try the Triadic colors. These are three colors that are evenly spaced around the color wheel. And we have purple, green, and orange. These three colors are also really harmonious and really go great together. Now let's try the square colors. These are four colors that are evenly spaced around the color wheel, forming a square. This scheme provides balance and contrast. So we have orange, green, blue, and red. So there you have it, another color scheme, now with four colors. All of these colors go really nice together. I hope you enjoyed this little mini tutorial about the color wheel and how to use it. And go crazy, use those colors. Create your own schemes of colors and create beautiful art. Bye!